part of defining this garden area was to have a small wall dividing the gravel patio from the raised garden. The original plan was to use treated timber to divide these two areas. We came up with the idea of making a small extension of the hollow block wall. This morning we're going to backfill all this wall here. So yesterday we framed out foundation for this design change. We've got some more rebar to add in here. We're cutting up about 30 small pieces of reinforcement bar to tie our foundation into this hollow block wall. We're making sure we're tying them together extra strong in this application to lock it into this backfilled concrete foundation. We're going to be adding a large volume of concrete to this wall today. We include the new foundation of our design change for our small extension on this wall. So yesterday we filled out all this block.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.